Welcome everyone to another episode of Kiwiway. Well, yesterday when my wife was going to work, she was trying to shut the garage door. The garage door didn't want to come down. So anyway, last night I pulled the control system down and everything down, and this is what I found. The motor still works, it works fine, but the drive unit, basically the shaft between that and that is completely broken. Very interesting actually. Now I did look online last night. You can buy this whole contraption for a couple $100 in Australian dollars, but I couldn't find anyone who's selling it online in New Zealand. I'm sure you can get it in New Zealand, but anyway, so in the end I went and purchased a brand new door opener for the garage door. And so we're going to install that today. So the first thing is we're going to pull this one down and then put the new one up. Four screws on that, pull that off. 2 screws on there, and there's 1 screw up there, and the whole thing can come down. I'll take these 4 off first. Right, so we got the rail track out, and what we've determined is it's joined up by these brackets here. This bracket here is the right length, and they're all the way along, and then these cover ones here which go over top, so they just go over the joint where the joint is. And then what you do is you bang these nibbles down to hold the joiner together, and there's 1, 2, 3 of those to make the length. And then once you've done that, there's also the spring at the end here that just needs to be tightened to tighten the belt up. And then that's all done, and can be, this end is just very similar, goes up onto that bracket up there. We'll probably replace it with the new bracket, and then screwed up at the far end, and that's it. So we'll bang those little tabs down, and then that piece will be done. Hey. Yeah, I'll take one small. Yep. There's a good piece of something behind you. Good piece of something. Let's see if we can come out. Is that going to sort of work for you?
Yeah. Thanks, sir.
Do you want me to come towards you?
Yeah.
Sort of.
You might need to lift it up just a little bit.
Yeah.
Temporarily.
Yeah.
Oh, can't see. Oh. Just go on the inside or the outside?
It goes in the inside, I believe.
Oh.
If it can work. Or it doesn't work.
Wants to go on the outside. Oh, actually
wants to go one side and the other?
Nothing. It wants to do
It's just even, isn't it?
Mm.
Do we need a tap?
Unless you can just have it straddling.
Oh, if it's straddling, we'll be fine. Is it going to line up? Oh, yes, it is going to line up. It's probably the most important thing, is see if we can get it lined up. Do I need to go left or right to
go that way.
just say when?
Trick that. Yeah. Oops. No, I can't see the hole.
Screwed up straight into, there was definitely something solid up there, so that was good. Are we going to do these middle ones? We probably need to
Stud finder.
find the stud finder and see if there's... I'm not sure there's actually studs up there. Now this one just needs to be there.
Happy.
Beautiful. Masterpiece, Reese. Masterpiece.
Release the learn button and the courtesy light will flash twice.
Oh, yep. There's a triangle button and a round button in here. Which one's...
Press one.
Oh,
I think it's well, they're showing the round one is the
learn button.
You press and release it, and then the courtesy light will flash twice.
Okay. Press and hold that.
And release.
Oh, and release. Oh, it's in learn mode. Press that button.
Did it flash twice or something?
No, it hasn't.
Oh.
It's yellow at the back here, though.
Okay. Press
the yellow learn button on the... Press the release the yellow burn button. The operator light flashes when you push that button there, Reese. Push the button on the...
Oh.
Yep, push that one. Push and hold it.
I'll push and hold.
That's it. And flashes. Now try it.
Step 2. Press the program button until the up arrow and indicator LED begin to flash.
Right, so that up arrow is now flashing.
Press and hold the up arrow button until the door is in the desired up position.
Okay. We can do that. Are we there? Yep.
Once the door is in the desired up position, press and release the program button.
Yep, and now it's down arrow is flashing.
Yep, the down arrow button will begin to flash. Sweet. Yep. Press and hold the down arrow button until the door is in the desired down position.
Well, that makes logical sense, I guess. Yep, the thing's a bit... Yep.
Once the door is in the desired down position, press and release the program button. The up arrow button will begin to flash.
Yes. What do we do now?
Setting the force. I'm not sure what that is.
Yep.
Press and release the up arrow button to test the up limit.
Yeah, they do have a force thing on them, eh? Because if they get too much force, they don't... Well, not enough force. Well, that seemed to work. Yep.
That's good.
Now it's flashing down again. What do I do now? Push the down arrow?
Press and release the down arrow button to test the down limit. The door will travel to the program down limit. The indicator LED will stop flashing.
Oh, okay.
The travel limits and force setting has now been set.
Okay. Oh, I'm happy.
Good.
Is that it? So now, technically, it's nothing's flashing. I can just use the button, it should just open. Nothing there. So 1 and 2, isn't it? Do they have little screw? Are they? Oh yeah.
Yeah.
That's easy. They just pull down. They're like pushing.
Oh, okay.
They're like pushing terminals, but not pushing terminals. By the way.
You just need a spring-loaded thing.
Yeah, there's a
Use a little screwdriver to pull the thing
pull down
open
and
while you.
yeah. Right, so that's done pretty well, pretty easy. So here we go. Lean the remote, door goes up, push the button, door goes down. All pretty sweet. Not too bad of insulation, pretty easy. Snug up against the ceiling like the old one was. Got a nice belt driven, so it should be quite quiet, goes quite fast. Yeah. Pretty quick, easy installation really once you work out what you need to do. We reused the bracket on the door that was existing. Okay, catch you everyone next time. It's sort of like it's in a manual mode. It's got a self-order a bloody mess.
Oh, we actually skipped to. We're actually on the wrong page. Sorry.
Oh, did we skip over a page?
Yeah, we should be at 19.
No.
Program the travel limits and force settings.
Yeah, that's what we want to do, set the travel. That's exactly what we want to do. Remotes seem to work. No, that one doesn't work. Why is there no power to this thing? The light's not on. It's off. Oh, because the power's fallen out.